It is far more extensive than anything I've created before and anything I've seen on the market. You notice here I'm taking my time when I take these photos. It's fundamental to understanding exposure. Setting up your camera to take sharp photos is much more important than buying a new fancy lens. You can develop your own unique style.
Once you understand how a few of your camera's features work, everything falls into place very quickly.
And I want to show that it's not your camera, it's how you use it.
There is so much control at your fingertips.
Let's see all the different ways that we can experiment with this. Welcome to Photography for Beginners. You can capture the world around you with the click of a button. These are great compositional tools that are already at your disposal. It just goes to show what exploring can do for your landscape photography. And this is the view that we're gifted with. Absolutely gorgeous. This, like all things with photography, is just a guide. How you use it is up to you. A lot of the times you just have to think on your feet. Remember, it's there to help you, not to control you.
You need to know the basic rules and you need to know when to use them.
So that you can make a decision creatively yourself for the feeling you want to give the photo. And that can be done creatively. That can be really powerful when done properly. We'll be driving around for most of the afternoon and we passed this landscape and I just thought it was too good to not stop and capture. There we go. Wow, what a view. Now, even a basic camera like this can do a good job. Let's talk about other ways of looking at this scene though. What that is allowing me to do is I can test different compositions. That's cool, I like that one. This is how you know you're up in the mountains. I want to lead the viewer into the frame. That's one thing that I love to say to photographers. One simple rule, one simple thing to consider before taking a photograph is, if it doesn't add to the photograph, it takes away. My best photos have come from opportunities where I really didn't want to get out of bed.
There's no shortcuts to experience, but learning how to use your camera and the fundamentals of photography composition, that can be done in an afternoon.